everyone, welcome to Stylely by Shalini, and today, I'm going to do something very exciting because I love coloring my hair. And if you people know me and those who do not know me, I had every color on the planet. I had pink, I had purple, I had blue, I had green, I had like you just copper. I had a lot of colors, and it's been a while in the lockdown that I could color my hair. So I was just picking up some groceries, and I just thought like it's been a while I have colored my hair red. So I picked this up from Garnier. Raspberry red. This is something which I have not tried before. I have done red before, but not the raspberry red. So as you can see right now, my hair is a combination of black and blonde. Let me open my hairband so that you can see better. If you see, I have like blonde highlights, and I have black hair mostly, and blonde. So I'm gonna do this globally entirely on my hair. I'm gonna apply this, and I'm excited because hair colors always involves a makeover or a transformation, and it may go wrong, it may go right. I might not look good, I may look wonderful. Well, never mind. Let's just see how this goes. Stay with me. So let's see how this transformation or makeover goes. So let's follow me. Yeah, so I was shooting the video inside. So I wanted to take here, have you guys a quick look at how my hair looks in the natural light. So this is how my hair looks right now in the natural light. So it's a combination, as I said, of blonde and black. So if you see the inside is mostly black, especially the roots and all inside, it's all black. So I'm not sure how the color will turn out here, but so I'm hoping the blonde parts will catch on the color more. And this is how it's mostly black this side. It's all mostly black. I have majority of the blonde here, and now if I do it here, you do not get to see. So I'm apprehensive. So yeah, I do not want it to be like very bright red, like absolutely like glaring at me, but let's see how it. Garnier is good with the subtle colors, so let's just see how it turns out. Be with me. Hi guys. So as you can see, I have changed. So this is the dress I'm gonna wear and color my hair, because I did not want to spoil the nice dress which I wore out. So I did not remove the makeup because anyways I'm gonna take a bath. So I'm just gonna color my hair, and let's see how it goes. You keep being with me and let's see. Yeah.
So I'm mixing the color and the developer here and a plastic bowl. It's actually use and throw for me, so you can mix it in anywhere. I used all content because I'm going to do a global color. You can do it as per your requirement, like if you're trying to do a section. So I'm mixing it, and I'm starting with parting my sections, parting, and not if you're doing a global hair color, it's very important that you section your hair. That is the most important part, I believe, in coloring your hair. I'm starting off with the roots and not from the top. Please guys remember, roots are the part of your hair where the color takes the most time to develop, at least as per me and as per my research. So usually the upper part takes the color faster, and also I have blonde, so I am assuming that that part will catch the color faster. So I can do that last. So I did that last, and I did my black parts earlier and the blonde parts later, so that the color can develop more for the parts which actually needs it. So here I have divided the sections, and I'm doing it. And make sure that you sectioning is important, otherwise the color distribution is a challenge.
Hey, so as you can see, I just completed coloring my hair. So this is what it looks like right now. So I have to wait for 30 minutes, and I had fortunately or unfortunately managed to put color in my neck and my hair face, which I did wash off. But but the color, as you can see, it was a light pink in the beginning, and now it's turning out to be red. So I'm pretty excited, and I'm waiting for the final look. So hi guys, time for the big reveals. Let's see how you like it. Ta-da! So this is how it looks like. So I think I really love it because this was my expectation, and this has exactly turned out what I wanted it to be. I have just put condition in my hair, I've put my favorite Brazil cacao conditioner. I'm gonna link it up in the description if any of you want to use it. I think it makes my hair super nice and super like manageable. You saw my previous hair and you see I have straightened it a little bit just to see you guys the actual color how it has turned out to be. But I feel this is exactly what I was looking for, and this is what it is. This is how it looks like from this side. And I think this is like normal daylight, normal light. This is exactly looking in room. So I'm sure it's gonna look like super nice in sunlight as well, and I can't wait to go out and see it for myself and to show you guys. So, but then I'll stick to this. I hope you like it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button because I really need your love and support to keep growing. And please let me know what else would you like to see, because I am new here. We will play here with style and fashion, and a lot of new things are coming. So keep updated, keep with me, and spread the love. Bye, take care, love you all. Keep smiling. Mwah. See you next time, and keep it colorful. Bye.